So question 4 says a snack container has a cylindrical shape. The diameter of the base is 7.84 centimeters. The height of the container is 23.4 centimeters. And this is shown in the following diagram. So question A says, write down the radius in centimeters of the base of the container. Well, we know that the diameter, if you divide it by 2, that is how you get the radius. So in this case, we are given that the diameter is 7.84 centimeters. So when we divide that diameter by 2, we get our answer, which is 3.92 centimeters. Make sure I write my units because it does explicitly say to write down the radius in centimeters. For part B, it says calculate the area of the base of the container. Well, we're given that this is a cylinder, so we know that the base is a circle. And the formula for the area of a circle is A equals pi r squared. And if you don't know that formula, it's also written in the formula packet. So this is a formula that is handy to know, but you don't absolutely need to memorize it. And so to find the area, we're just going to take our answer choice, our answer from A, the radius, and plug it in. So that means we have pi times 3.92 squared. And when we plug that into the calculator, we get our answer of 48.3 centimeters squared. So I'm rounding my answer to 3 significant figures, including my units. And the correct units anytime you're finding area is going to be the units squared. So in this case, we're measuring in centimeters, so our answer is centimeters squared. Part C, the last question, says Dan is going to paint the curved surface and the base of the snack container. Calculate the area to be painted. So we know that the surface area formula, because we're just painting the surface, so the surface area formula for the cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh, where h is the height of the container. But we need to modify this formula a little bit because this formula includes 2 pi r squared in the front because there's a circle on the bottom and a circle on the top. But it seems like Dan is only going to paint the bottom of the cylinder, but not the top. So therefore, we don't want 2 pi r squared, we just want 1 pi r squared to represent the area of the bottom of the cylinder. And so that's the formula we are going to use. And then we just plug in the values that we've got. So the radius is still 3.92 squared plus 2 pi, the radius is 3.92. And our height in this case is given at 23.4 centimeters. So that pi rh represents the curved surface of the cylinder. And when we plug all that into the calculator, we get 624.6189912 centimeters squared if you want to write out every single digit from the calculator, or you can round it to 3 significant figures, which would get us 625 centimeters squared. So either of those two answers would be perfect.